Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm showing you how I made this beautiful handbag. This bag is so beautiful. Have I said this bag is beautiful? Guys, this is like my favorite bag right now. I want to wear it everywhere. When I wore it out, everyone was giving me compliments. If you want to see how I achieved this bag, definitely keep on watching.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back.
So to start, I just want to say every measurement I had was in centimeters. I had this 48 by 40 centimeter full leather fabric in white. And this lining to match the same measurement, 48 by 40 centimeters. And this 58 by 4 centimeter strap. I had two of these. Guys, if it's possible, cut this as one long strap instead of making it two. I didn't have enough fabric, so I had to make do. I had this 20 by 20 centimeters for the pockets. Guys, you don't need to use 20 by 20. It was actually too big. And this is the zip I used. I ended up using something else, not this long one. And I had clips to hold the fabric. I had these D-rings, two of those. And this 8 by 4 centimeter fabric for the D-rings. This video is really self-explanatory, so I wouldn't do much of a voiceover, but just look through the video. I'm sure you're going to understand what I'm doing. I'm just basically making pleats at the top using these clips to hold it in place. I'll do that for both the top and bottom. If today is your first time watching any video of mine, I just want to say thank you so much, and I pray you subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking with me. Guys, please, if you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe. It encourages me. And drop a like and a comment. When I see comments, I feel so happy. Thank you so much as you like and subscribe. After making the pleats, I'm taking it to the sewing machine and I'm going to make a straight stitch. Guys, you need to be gentle here. My sewing machine is not made for heavy duty fabrics, so I was going really slow. I just want to say that I have other videos in my channel, so if you love bag making, wig making, I have a few videos for you to enjoy. Thank you. After sewing, I'm going to attach a zip. I didn't end up using this long zip like I said earlier. I ended up using a shorter one, which I shouldn't have, because that zip is meant for clothes and not for heavy duty fabrics like faux leather. So if you can, look for zips for denim or bags. I attached the other side of the zip to the other end of the bag. I attached the pockets as you normally would. I did a top stitch and then hemmed the sides while I attached it. I used this contrasting thread, which I don't know, but I kind of like it. What do you think? Tell me. Here I'm marking out the center on both the lining and faux leather fabric.
take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
I used pins to show where exactly I'll be sewing, so I'm going to take it to my sewing machine and I'll be back. I tried doing a top stitch, but I couldn't. This fabric is so thick for my sewing machine, so I used gum instead to mimic the result a top stitch would give me. I think that's how I can explain it, but just watch the video. I'm sure you understand what I'm doing better.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we like.
To attach the lining to the other side, I tried to sew it, guys, but there was no way I could sew it, so I used gum instead.
And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos.
I used the gum to hold it, but I also took it to my sewing machine and ran a straight stitch.
I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
This is where I joined the two straps and it didn't really look nice, so if you can use one long measurement instead of cutting it in two.
The Stockholm lights. A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back.
After sewing, I cut out the excess lining fabric. To get this square, I used 4 by 4 centimeters. I took it to my sewing machine and ran a straight stitch on this line here, and I cut the excess off. And I turned it over and voila, this bag is so beautiful and the white is so crisp. I love it. I attached this chain from an old bag, but you can actually buy this chain from where you buy bag materials. Have I said this bag is beautiful? Guys, this is like my favorite bag right now. I want to wear it everywhere. If you have made any DIYs from my channel, maybe bag or hair, please do well to tag me on Instagram at Ellacherries, and I'll be happy to see them and repost them. guys, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please do well to give it a thumbs up and drop a comment. Tell me what you like about it, or what you thought I would have done differently. And yeah, I would love to see your comments. It just gives me so much happiness. And please guys, do well to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Yeah, until next time guys, bye.